Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. Hello, roadies. Just wanted to share with you today our little Christmas ornament project we have going on. I found this wonderful collection on Amazon. It's 400 different sizes and pieces of different shapes for only $10, and they come plain like this in the wood, like this, and then you can color them, and they send you little marker pens. But I found I like the colored pencils that we have better. So some you'll see with marker pens, they're the darker colors you see there, and then the lighter colors are the colored pencils. And this is my project that I've been working on over on my table. And then I'll show you the awesome ones that Summer has been doing. But first I'm going to show you the bag of how the little ones came in like this. These are the little tiny size ones right here. And then the big ones I just showed you on the table also came with it. Now we're going to come over here to Summer's project. You say hi, roadies?
Hi, roadies.
Yeah, and they're gonna... What?
I colored this one first.
Yep, you colored that one, huh? You're working on some more.
Yeah, because I have less.
Okay, so here's hers.
This
look
one?
Look at her imagination.
This one?
Yeah,
And this one, and
all
this
the different colors she's been doing on hers.
And this one, and this one, and this
Mine
one.
looks so boring
one,
compared to hers.
This one, this one.
Her
this
rainbow
one.
style.
Yep. And then this is my full marker.
Yeah, that's her blue marker. And these are all the other markers that came with it. There's 6 colors altogether.
Yes.
Okay, and then I'm going to show you our little nativity scenes that we have set up.
This one.
There's that one. Oh, you knocked over the sheet. Put them back up, please.
This one.
She's been playing with the animals already, I can tell. Where's baby Jesus? Uh-oh. Oh, little stinker. She's been playing with my nativity scenes. So here's the manger that goes with this one. Where's the baby? Well, you better figure it out.
And then this another
And then here's
baby.
Yeah, she's been playing with the nativities. So I will have to show you the finished project when I set it back up. And here's our beginning of our little tree.
Yep.
I've got the lights put on, but we'll put the ornaments on it after we're done. Yeah, but there's the beginning of it. So here's the before setup. And I will show you the after when we get done. But I was just so excited to share with you this awesome set that we got on Amazon for only $10. And Summer has been having a blast.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yep.
7 left.
7 left. Okay.
Bye.
kid.